we are coming to the very important area, which is most of the students, they are facing problems. So listen carefully what I'm going to explain to give you the simple way of operating these integers. Now, we say that the simple way of adding without confusing your results or your answers, the following rules must be applied. The first rule is make sure that each number has a single sign. Each number has a single sign. The second, by using the point above, check the sign. Now we have two cases. Number one, if each number has the same sign, it means the first one is positive and the second number is positive. Or the first number is negative and the second number is negative. Then you add the numbers regardless of the sign. You just take that numbers, you add them, and then you put your result there. The second thing, if each number has different sign, it means the first one is positive, the second is negative, or the first is negative, the second is positive, then they have different sign. Now you take the difference or you subtract the bigger number to the small number. You just take the difference between that two numbers. The stage number 3, your final answer should be put a sign of a bigger number. A bigger number regardless of the sign. A bigger number regardless of, it means that we are counting this bigger number or the small of the number without looking for the sign which is attached to that number. That is very, very important. It will make this topic to be very simple and you will be getting all questions correctly. So please take note of that. It will make you to be a mathematician and to find how the integers is very simple. Now the following are the examples which will lead us to understand what I have taught. Now we have example number 1, that is negative into bracket negative 3 plus negative 4 equal to negative. Of course, this is the question. Now according to the rules, number 1, I have said that make sure that each number have a single sign. Now that 3 have negative, negative, so it have double sign. That 4, it has negative, it has positive. Before we go to the next number, so we have two signs. It means that two signs are for 4 and that two signs are for 3. So the first step I have taken, we multiply that negative times negative, we have positive, so we have simplified it into a single sign. The same here we have positive and negative, so we take positive times negative, the result is negative. Then here we have two numbers in which each one has a single sign. So that 3 is positive and that 4 is negative. Now if you come to the rule number 2, each number has a different sign. Here we have positive, here is negative. So we have different sign. That is positive by negative. Now what we do, we just take the difference of 4 and 3. We take the difference of 4 and 3, that is 1. And in that 4 and 3, that 4 is what? Is a bigger number without regarding about the sign. We just take 4 as 4, that is a bigger number. So that 4, it has been attached by negative 1. It means your answer is negative 1. The second question is negative into bracket 3 positive minus into bracket positive 4. Then again in this question we have each number have more than one sign. That 3 have positive and negative, that 4 have positive and negative. So we should make each number to have a single sign. So we take negative times positive is negative, so that one simplifies into positive 3. And here we have negative times positive is negative, So the whole that one simplifies into negative 4. Now after that, after each number having a single sign, we check if they have the same sign. Now here is negative and here is negative. So we have negative by negative. Now if they have the same sign, therefore we take 3 plus 4, we have 7. And 3 and 4, I'm not considering the sign, but I'm taking 3 as a number and 4 as a number. Then 4 is a bigger number, the sign is negative, so we have negative 7. Then we come to example number 3. That is negative 8 minus 8. The first number has a single sign. We don't need to simplify anymore about the signs. But the second, we have minus minus. So the second 8, it have minus minus. So we have double sign. So we multiply. Negative times negative will be positive. Then our simplified numbers, we have negative 8 plus 8. First of all, we counter check the signs. Are they the same or different? Now because the